everyone and welcome back to our channel Forensic Mart. Today we are here with a case study related to cyber crime. The case study is related with the tampering of computer source documents. Introduction. Whoever knowingly or intentionally conceals, destroys, or alters, or intentionally or knowingly causes another to conceal, destroy, or alter any computer source code using the for computer program, computer system, or computer network when the computer source code is required to be kept or maintained by the law for the time being in force shall be punishable with the imprisonment up to 3 years or with fine which may extend up to 2 lakh rupees or with both. It states that the person knowingly or intentionally conceals, destroy or alter the computer source code or causes some another person to do so may be punishable with the imprisonment up to 3 years or with the fine up to 2 lakh rupees or with both. Case study Syed Asifuddin Ors versus the state of Andhra Pradesh. In this case, Tata Indicom employees were arrested for manipulation of the electronic 32-bit number programmed into the cell phones theft were exclusively franchised to Reliance Infocom. Background of the case. The crime was registered against the petitioners on a written complaint given by the head of the sales of marketing wings of Messrs. Reliance Infocom Limited, Hyderabad, the second respondent herein. In the complaint, it is alleged that certain vested elements on the trade of mobile telephone service began to woo the subscriber of Reliance India Mobile into the various other schemes promoted by other similar service provider which would have the impact on the image as well as the revenues of the second respondent. Reliance Infocom under Dhirubhai Ambani Pioneer offer launched telephone service named as Reliance India Mobile with a view to make communication affordable to the masses. Under the Dhirubhai Ambani, the Reliance Infocom released an offer of Reliance India Mobile with a view to make the communication more affordable to the people. The same was later modified and the scheme titled POF, which is the most affordable in the market today. Under the said scheme, the subscriber gets a digital handset worth Rs 10.50 as well as service bundle for 3 years with an initial payment of Rs 3.350 and monthly outflow meager Rs 600. The subscriber also gets 1 year warranty and insurance of the 3 years. The condition was that headset was technologically locked so that it would only work with the Reliance Infocom services. If the customer wanted to leave Reliance services, he would have to pay some charges including the true price of the handset. Since the handset was highly quality, the market response to the scheme was phenomenal. Unidentified person contact Reliance customer with an offer to change the lower price Tata Indicom scheme. As a part of deal, their phone would be technologically locked so that the exclusive Reliance handsets could be used for the Tata Indicom service. An unidentified person contact a Reliance customer saying that to change the lower price Tata Indicom scheme and it would also unlock their phone technologically so The exclusive Reliance headset could be used for the Tata Indicom service too. The police then raided some offices of Tata Indicom in Andhra Pradesh and arrested a few Tata Indicom Teleservices Limited officials for reprogramming the Reliance headset. These arrested persons approached the High Court requesting the court to quash the FIR on the grounds that their act did not violate the said legal provisions. Thank you for watching the video, and for more such case studies, subscribe the channel Forensic Mart and press the bell icon to get notification of each and every upcoming case studies in the Forensic Mart.